Hello dear students, good morning. I am going to start with the continuation part of the lesson. The house with the golden windows. The house with the golden windows. We have already completed part 1 and part 2. In remaining we are going to continue now. All of you open page number 3 in your textbooks. Open page number 3. We have already completed till here. Paula asked Steve to come with her to the top of the hill behind her house, and she told him that the golden windows could only be seen at the sun goes down. At the time of sunset, she is saying the golden windows can be seen. We'll continue the remaining part. Yes, I know that, said Steve. When Paula told as they walked, she means Paula told him that the golden windows could only be seen as the sun goes down. Then Steve is replying, yes, I know that. They waited, and just as the sun was starting to go down, Paula turned and pointed. As the sun set, Paula pointed her fingers. There it is, she said. Paula is showing. There it is. And one day, just like you. Here, just like you means just like Steve. I'm going to go and look for that house. She is saying, just like you. I'm going to go and look for that house. That house means the house that Paula is pointing at present. There, on a hill far away, stood a house with windows of gold. Whatever Paula is pointing, that house have golden windows. Looking at it, Steve saw that the house was his own. Looking at that house that Paula pointing, Steve realized that that house is his own house. Why? Its windows were blazing like golden flames. He is thinking by himself that why its windows were blazing like golden flames. Here blazing means very bright and hot. Very bright and hot. That windows were very bright and hot like golden flames. Here golden flame means golden spark or golden lights. Suddenly, Steve realized what had happened. What had happened previously, now suddenly Steve realized. The golden rays of the setting sun fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses glitter like gold. At the time of sunset, the golden rays fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses. Here both the houses means Steve's house and Paula's house. Glitter like gold. Glitter like gold. When the sun fell on both the hills, the windows started glittering like gold. Steve realized that point. All of you turn page number 4. Okay? Turn page number 4 in your textbooks. Thanks, Paula, and goodbye, said Steve. Steve told to Paula, thanks, and he told goodbye. I need to go home before it gets too dark. Before it gets too dark, Steve is saying that he needs to go to home. Paula stood in the sunset, gazing. Here, gazing means looking steadily with interest. Gazing means looking steadily with interest, and waving. Here, waving means move one's hand to and fro in greeting. Move one's hand to and fro in greeting at him, at Steve, as he walked down the hill, as he is going to his house. The sun had sunk below the horizon by the time Steve returned home. The sun had sunk. Here, sunk means no hope of avoiding trouble or failure. The sun had sunk before the horizon. Here, horizon means the line where the sky seems to touch the land or sea. Before the horizon, by the time Steve returned home. But the lamplight shone through the windows almost as bright as the golden windows he had seen. But the lamplight shone is looking like almost as bright as the golden windows that Steve had seen. When he opened the door, his mother came over to hug him. As soon as Steve opened the door, his mother came to him and she hugged him. His father, who sat by the fire, looked up and smiled. His father looked up and smiled at Steve. "Did you have a good day?" asked his father. Steve's father is asking Steve that he has a good day. "Yes," said Steve, "a very good day." Steve is replying, "Yes, of course, Dad. It's a very good day." "Did you learn anything?" asked his father. His father is asking Steve that, "Did you learn anything?" "Yes," said Steve. Steve is replying, "Yes. I learned that our house too has windows of gold." He is saying that he has learned that his house too has windows of gold. At last, Steve realized that the windows were made of clear glass, and the golden rays of the setting sun fell on both the hills and made the glass windows of both the houses glitter like gold. And he realized that his house windows is also glittering like gold. Okay children, do you all okay with the lesson? Okay, good. Thank you. Bye.